I'm very scared of cats.
Really?
Yeah, like I don't know anything about them. And I'm nervous as fuck. And I had a dream last night that which one, you want it?
Yeah.
I had a dream last night that this amazing kitten over here bit me in my sleep.
Is it good?
So, yeah, it's cool.
Okay. Oh no, you're good, dude. He's like the nicest cat ever, bro. Like,
okay.
He was with my other cats, like
just chilling.
He was in my bed, bro. He's chilling, bro. Like I've had him for like almost like a month and a half. Just